5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Magic Lab Coat. Laboratory coat is an essential personal protective equipment which protects skin and personal clothing from incidental contact and small splashes. It also provides a barrier in the event of an incident involving a spill or splash of hazardous substances. In addition, the lab coat can prevent the spread of contamination outside the lab. For your information, the lab coats should never be worn in public areas such as offices, eating areas, lounge areas, or any place outside of the lab. It is because a lab coat may transfer hazardous materials or contaminants into these areas and potentially exposing the general public into these substances. All personal protective equipment such as lab coat, glove, and mask should be removed before leaving the lab, and it should be kept separately from other belongings. However, many medical or health science colleges are closely attached to clinical areas, and since there is no changing area in the hospital or clinical areas, students tend to wear their white coats on their way to college and even in non-clinical and non-practical classes, library, cafeteria, and resting areas around college. Moreover, there is no proper bag for them to keep their lab coats, and they tend to put it all over the place. It is common to see white coats are left on chairs or carried around. According to studies, it was proven that white coats harbor potential contaminants, and they found that the Staphylococcus aureus was the most common type of bacteria found. Because of this issue, we come up with a new idea to transform a lab coat into a magic lab coat. Let's go into the methodology. These are the main material used in this project: lab coat, cotton fabric, and zip. First, a cotton fabric has been cut into a rectangular shape with measurements of 9 inches in height and 12 inches in length. Then, the cotton fabric has been sewed with a zip. Next, this rectangular shaped zip close, together with a holder, has been sewed to a lab coat. And lastly, we folded the lab coat into a bag. Here is our final product, a magic lab coat. The advantages of our magic lab coat are: it is able to reduce cross-contamination to the environment, community, and personal belongings, compact, easy to carry, fashionable, and has commercialization value. Thank you. Protect yourself, protect others.